Hello everyone. In the Gospel of John, Jesus says, I have come to give you life and life in abundance. Holy Eucharist is a gift to the Catholic Church. I stand here on behalf of my parish priest, Reverend Father Agnello Rodriguez, to welcome each and everyone on the international exhibition on the miracles of the Holy Eucharist and the veneration of the sacred relics of Blessed Carlo Acutis. Once again, welcome everyone. Join us to know and appreciate our faith.
A blessed morning to all here. I am Miss Ria Ullas Bangalore.
And I'm Cedric Rodriguez from St. Sebastian Parish, Aquem. Have you ever wondered about the profound miracles of the Eucharist that have taken place throughout history?
In this year of grace, we welcome each one of you to experience something really special. Documentation on the Eucharistic miracles, documented by none other than the saint in genes, the saint of the youth, Blessed Carlo Acutis, here at our parish, St. Sebastian Church, Aquem.
Join us at St. Sebastian Church, Aquem, from 28th of April to the 4th of May 2025 for an extraordinary international exhibition on the Eucharistic miracles of the world.
Explore the stories behind the miraculous events of the Eucharistic miracles that have shaped 1,000 behind and beyond the globe. We also invite you to come experience all that is documented by none other than the saint in genes, millennial saint of the era, Blessed Carlo Acutis, and his relics shall be brought to this parish. He is a saint who has shaped thousands and shall be canonized on the 27th of April 2025 at the Vatican.
The exhibition will be open daily from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Don't miss this wonderful opportunity to witness the power of these sacred relics and deepen your faith in the true presence of our Lord Jesus in the Eucharist.
The grand inauguration of this miraculous event will be happening on the 28th of April, sharp at 8:30, here at our parish, which will be presided over by the Archbishop and Daman, Most Reverend Filipe Neri, Cardinal Ferrao.
This is a rare opportunity for you to connect with the divine and reflect on the wonders of the Eucharist. We invite you, your family and your friends to be a part of this experience of this blessed event.
Mark your calendars to be touched by the Eucharistic miracles and the veneration of Carlo Acutis, blessed to be held at St. Sebastian Church, Aquem, alongside the veneration of Blessed Carlo Acutis.
See you there.